guys, I'm from Math Academia, and today we will be reviewing a question on triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygons. This question states that P is any point in an equilateral triangle ABC, and PL, PM, and PN are perpendiculars from P to the sides BC, CA, and AB respectively. They want us to show that PL plus PM plus PN is equal to the height from A to BC. So first, let me extend the line from A to BC. So let height of triangle ABC be H. If we recall, we would know that an area of a triangle would be half times base times height. So area of triangle ABC would equal to half times H times BC. Alright, so next, let me split my triangle ABC into 3 triangles. So if you realize PM, PN, and PL are the height for triangle APC, APB, and BPC respectively. So therefore, can we conclude that area of triangle ABC equals to the area of triangle APB plus the area of triangle BPC plus the area of triangle APC. Alright, so this would mean, area of triangle APB would equal to half times PN times AB. Alright, area of triangle BPC would give me half times BPC, so half times PL times BC. And area of triangle APC would be half times PN times AC. Alright, the next information given in the question is that triangle ABC are equilateral triangle. So this means AB equals to BC equals to AC. So this would mean that I can replace AB with BC, and I can replace AC with BC. Okay, for my 3 terms, I have a common factor half and BC. So therefore, let me factorize out these common factors. I would have, this would simplify into half times BC multiplied by PN plus PL plus PM. So remember at the start, we realized that the area of triangle ABC equals to half times height times BC. So if we equate these two together, half times BC times height, can we arrive at the conclusion that height equals to PN plus PL plus PM? So therefore, we have shown that PL plus PM plus PN is equal to the height from A to BC. I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you.